In this episode, a humble microwave oven becomes the lens to compare wages and prices across nations. Across 5 countries, the local wage and typical hours determine the cost in a buyer-friendly way. Each market follows a working person tallying hours from dawn to dusk until the box is paid. The contrast shows how a routine appliance can take 2 days of work in some places and less in others. Viewers leave with a clearer sense of real purchasing power and the global wage gap shaping everyday choices.